Piny owacho keto kenge mag jiwo dongruok kembe mabende biro konyo e ting'o uchumi mapachoka. Jatend piny William Ruto wacho ni giketo gik moko duto e kuonde ohala mag special economic zones mondo oywa joket mwandu. Mae no yange kinde mano yango kar teko stima ne kembe mag special economic zones e boma ma Naivasha. Kambino migero kod milion 700 biro bedo kod alai 3 mag stima.
For a long time, we've had only one special economic zone in Athi River, but now we have another economic zone in Sagana, another economic zone in Thika, one in Nakuru County in Egerton, another one in Eldoret, and a final one in Busia. And that is apart from Dongokundu in Mombasa. So all these zones, special economic zones, are important for manufacturing, for industrialization, for making sure that we attract foreign direct investment that will be invest in these zones, and they are also important for our exports. As we negotiate for market using the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, as we negotiate for market using the AGOA program, we must be prepared as a country to invest with our development partners, with the investment community, so that we can create the products that will access the markets that we have negotiated.